How to use Google AR to enhance your search experience. Expand your world with augmented reality. Experience the world in a whole new dimension, right in your search bar. Shop with confidence, learn visually, and discover new places remotely. Look for the icon AR in your search results. When you search on Google, you can view some results in 3D and augmented reality AR. For Android, what you need to view 3D results: an Android phone with Android 7 and up. To interact with 3D results in AR, an Android phone that supports AR Core. Find and interact with 3D results on your Android phone. Go to google.com or open the Google app. Search for an animal, object, or place. If a 3D result is available, tap View in 3D. View in 3D. To interact with the 3D result in AR, tap View in your space. Follow the on-screen instructions. For iPhone and iPad, what you need. To view 3D results and interact with them in AR, you need iPhone 6 South or later, iOS 11 and up, Safari or the Google app. Find and interact with 3D results on your iPhone. Open Safari or the Google app. Go to google.com. Search for an animal, object, or place. If a 3D result is available, tap View in 3D. View in 3D. To interact with the 3D result in AR, tap AR and follow the on-screen instructions. On your iPhone, tap Object. What's available in AR? To experience AR, here are some examples of what you can search. Find makeup that works for you, visualize makeup looks, and see products on models across a range of skin tones, right from home. Search for a foundation or lip product to see what the shade realistically looks like on you. Try before you buy. Get a fully immersive shopping experience to visualize color, style, and placement right in your own space to see how it fits your space and vibe. Meet life-size animals at home. Explore up close and personal 100 animals in augmented reality. Magically conjure and interact with whales, dragonflies, even dinosaurs without leaving your living room. Experience the beauty of our world. Get a magnified view of plants, bacteria, cellular structures, and more. Take a virtual trip through the human body and learn about the different anatomical systems and chemical bonds. Marvel at the beauty of Chichen Itza or other cultural landmarks. Turn your home into a museum with Google Arts and Culture, and institutions like the Smithsonian National Airspace Museum. Bring museum exhibits home and immerse yourself in the world's rich cultural history. Explore the ancient pyramids of Meru in Sudan and more. By following these tips, you can unlock the full potential of Google AR and take your search experience to the next level. Thank you for your watching video and hope this can helping you. And stay tuned for the next episode.